Hello dear students, my name is Girish Lokhande and in this tutorial we are going to see how to insert and how to delete the comments in Microsoft Word. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start the video. So you can see this is the interface of Microsoft Word document and I have written a simple paragraph. I hope you can read this content when I zoom out the document, then also you can see the content, right? So I will tell you how to insert the comment for a particular paragraph or the section of paragraph, right? So first of all, what you all need to do is you have to select the section where you want to ask for a comment or you want any answer from the proofreader, right? So I'm going to select this section, and here after selecting this section I have selected a query. Now I want to ask a question over here. What does it mean by query, right? So how can I ask? Simply what you all need to do is you have to click on review tab. Here is the review tab. You can see this is the review tab, right? So click on review tab, and after clicking on review tab you have to again go to the comments group. This is a comments group, and you have to finally click or select new comment button, right? So I'm doing the same. I'm going to click on new comment button, right? You can observe here, as soon as I clicked on new comment button, this pop-up balloon has prompted comment S1. Here you need to insert the comment, right? Whatever question or whatever query you have, you can ask over here. So I'm gonna put, what does it mean? What does it mean by query? It is a simple way to ask any question to proofread a document, right? So you can see here, what does it mean by query? I have asked this question. Let me again zoom in, right? Okay, you can see here, this is the question I have asked. So this is the comment, basically this is the comment. So again I want to ask, right, this helps you to raise and answer queries easily. Follow the given steps, but steps are not given. I have not written the steps intentionally because I am going to raise a query over here. Follow the given steps. Which steps? No steps are given here. So I am going to insert a new comment. Over here you can see in the review tab. Remember this, it is after the mailing tabs and before the view tab, and in the comments group the new comment button is there. So I'm going to click on this comment S2. Yes, previously it was comment S1, right, and now it is S2. So let me ask the question quickly. Which steps, full stops or question mark, and no steps are given. No steps are given. So simply I am raising the query over here. You can read this query or question. Which steps? No steps are given, right? So this is a way to ask the questions or queries. Now quickly I am going to tell you how to delete these comments. How to delete these comments. First of all, what you all need to do is you have to select the comment, right? Select the comment, and in the same tab, that is in the review tab, in the comments group, there is a button called delete. Very simple. Review, in the comments group, this particular thing is called as group. Okay, it provides different options, groups, comments, tracking. These are some groups, right? So I'm going to click on delete. I have selected the comment and now I'm going to delete this, right? You can see that pop-up went right? So again select this query or this comment and then click on this delete button. Now this document is comment free, right? No comments are there. So you can delete the comment one by one, or other way, suppose if there are multiple comments. Now there are 2 comments, as you can see here there are 2 comments basically. I am going to delete all these 2 comments, right? So what is the best way? Select the comments, right? Select the comments, press the control button to select the another comment, control, and then select that. Now you can see here there is a drop down. What does it mean by drop down? You can see this small triangle. Okay, click on that triangle and select the last option, final option, delete all the comments in document. You can see this option very clearly. So I'm going to click on that, right? Delete all comments. So as soon as I click that, the document becomes again comment free. So I hope you have understood this session clearly. In case of any queries, any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Okay, bye, take care.